Hi, I'm Barbara Ann, and this is Miss Frenchie. She is a cross of a Himalayan and a Persian, and she's very high anxiety. As you can see, she's looking everywhere she possibly can to try to escape this place because she knows we're going to do nails and it's not her favorite thing. So when I refer to toweling a cat, what I'm actually saying is you're going to wrap them up like a kitty burrito using a towel. The reason for doing this is when you're working with a cat, one time is of the essence. You really want to work quickly, and you also have things to worry about. You've got their mouth, which is full of teeth that can bite you. You have 4 claws. Each of these paws has claws, at least 4, probably more. And they use them, and all of them, and they're doing it very quickly, and it inflicts a lot of damage. So if you're worried about your cat getting really upset and trying to squirm away by any means necessary, then you definitely want to towel your cat. So always maintain some slight pressure on the cat so that if it starts to move, you will feel that movement and be able to respond accordingly. So we're going to place the towel over the cat's back, and you're simply going to bring a little bit up on each side of the head, and you're going to feel where her paws are, and you're going to hold on and wrap your kitty. Now, how does this help you, say, if I need to do her front paws? What this does is it provides you, as the person doing the nails, with a sense of a little bit more control over the cat's movements. And so she can move her head, she can breathe quite easily. You have her paws in the towel. So we can start with the rear paws. They don't like those as much. So what I'm doing is I'm very, very light pressure, nothing at all that's too hard. You can expose her claws and clip. And again, time is of the essence, so you want to do it rather quickly because as you can see, she's already starting to squirm. So the back claws, I won't do them all just to show you, but again, you apply pressure on the cat's pad, which brings the claw out. The nail, you can see where the quick is, and you want to do it before the pink. So if you are really a little nervous about it, start with the very tip and bring it down just a little bit. What I mean by that, just tip the nail. I can take more off, but I've been doing this for a long time. So until you get to a comfortable place. So now what we want to do is we want to secure the bottom feet because they hurt when they go after you. So I've just kind of scooped the towel underneath her body, and now I'm going to hold her with my body, but her feet are in the towel. Her tail is right here. It's not really wrapped up. You can wrap the tail if you wish. And I'm just going to unwrap a little bit of the towel. Now I still have fairly good control of the cat. Now I have a paw. What you want to do is you want to bring the towel to kind of go between the paw and you. That just gives one little, that's not to say she won't be able to get you, but we're trying to do it as quickly as possible. And we're also trying to do it with the least amount of damage possible. Again, pressing on the pad of the paw and clipping the nail. She starts to make noise. She's not a happy cat. Now she moved her back and I felt that and responded accordingly. I simply put a little bit of weight on the cat. Not weight, just a little pressure, I should say. And I'm going to continue with the paw until I'm done. And then I'm going to place the paw back in the towel. And I'm going to attempt to get the other one. Now my hand is usually always covered because at any time she can say she wants to bite. So again, now this part, her paw is exposed, so I'd like to keep it in the towel. And again, try to keep as much material between you and her head as you can. Apply pressure and cut the nail. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again.